How to test inbox placement in Instantly.ai. To run a test, go into the inbox placement tool inside Instantly.ai, send a test email, and the platform will check deliverability across multiple email providers like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, and the report shows whether your message is hitting the inbox going to promotions or getting flagged along with recommendations to improve placement. If your emails are slipping into spam, you need to adjust your content, clean your lead list, or double check your domain authentication settings like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Running this test regularly gives you a clear picture of your sender reputation and lets you fix small issues before they hurt your campaign. By making inbox placement testing part of your routine, you'll protect deliverability and ensure your instantly that AI campaigns consistently reach the right audience. So that's it.